see, I kind of changed it up. I got a new desk, and I actually put up some motivational pictures that you can kind of read. One of them is like my name, and then it says, I believe in the person I want to become, and then beauty begins when you decide to be you. The other two, one is my name, one is a definition of my name, and one is the definition of success. And then as you can see, I also have some patterns and some artwork, and of course, the number one focus, me in a black and white picture so I can kind of stand out, but I like it that way. And then, of course, I have natural light coming into my room. This is like my dirty little secret. It has printers and all my stuff for work, all my goals. This is now where my patterns are and my heat press. And I always have to focus on my goals. You will see goals, girl power, all kind of motivational things around the room so that I could just keep focused. And then I have this here. It is in dedication to one of our soul sisters who passed away, Miss Faye, and it says live every day with intention. And it's because we lived in the same small town and I intended to meet her and I never got to meet her. It's just, I guess time got away from us and sometimes we take these things for granted. So I have this on my wall to live every day with intention. And then here you have a little just space to hold my ring light and one of my tripods. I think that tripod is a winner. And now you can see a change because we have an accent wall. I might put some pictures of me and my husband making this accent wall. We painted and put the wallpaper in ourselves, and I think we did an amazing job. Of course, my babies, my baddies, my creations. Normally you will see this as the background when I sit down. This is just a little cheap mirror that I got. My mirror will be a DIY that you guys will see coming up soon. Of course, I have my ironing board, can't leave home without it. And just my luck, you can see I was in here cleaning. So this is my cutting table. And I made it myself. It was the same cutting table. The only thing is I added an extra bookshelf, and that normally the bottom shelf keeps my sewing machines. And then the top shelf keeps my Cameo that I don't use. This is my vision board in the making. The natural sunlight is kind of getting the best of me, but there you go. It's a girl with a vision. I have things that I wanted to create, some of the goals that I wanted to do, and then like a lovely letter from my daughters. This is what's currently on my cutting table. Not my massager, but this is what's on my cutting table. I was learning how to do flat lays, and this is just me practicing. And then on the back door, I have a shoe holder which holds all my serger threads that I got were on sale. This is where my pattern paper, my printed patterns are currently being housed. I am looking for something really cute to put them in. And then just another look at my desk. I do work from home, so I work here, and I think this is a pretty good view to work from. I think my desk is pretty cute. This is my iPad when I'm watching all y'all YouTube. If I'm not downstairs, I watch it on my iPad instead of on the big TV. And then my sewing machines. These are my babies. This is my brother, my Singer Pro Stitch machine, as well as my brother 425 SE 425 machine. It's also embroidery and sewing machine. So I'm about to go into the embroidery realm. It's something that I wanted to do for a while, and I just need to stop faking. And then I know you've seen a video on this table, but this is my Sew Steady sewing table. I love it. I think it's so cool. I keep this little thing full of all my sewing things that I need while I sew, and I keep it right there under the table. But if you purchase a table, there is an option to purchase with a drawer, but I didn't get that option. So I'm just gonna take one more look around. Hi. I really hoped you enjoyed this tour, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!